All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your beautiful Pixel 6 stand out in the crowd and look extremely unique and one of a kind. And that's what this skin that you see here in front of you. So I've done a handful of different reviews of this sticker bomb skin from SoapyGuard. You can follow the card up above throughout this video of some different ones that I've done. But as you can see here, this is for the Pixel 6, and it is an extremely unique skin, as you can tell here. It has all these just little fun details, and every time that you look at it, you almost discover something new about it. It's only $9.99 if you go to soapyguard.com, so it's very affordable, and you get the whole entire back, so the bar and also obviously the top and bottom for the phone. Now don't get me wrong, the Pixel 6 is beautiful, especially in the stormy black, but if you just want to change the look up a little bit, skins are the way to go. It's a very affordable way to completely change the look of your phone. So with this video, let's go ahead and slap this on. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, and let's see how unique we can make this Pixel 6 look. So first thing that I'm going to do is basically peel the bottom part off first. And as you can see there, I already have the G cut out there, so that is fantastic. And then what I'm going to do is I usually kind of start with this here, kind of at an angle, and it makes it a little bit easier to install. So they do include a microfiber little cloth, and I'm just going to kind of wipe it off real quick. They do also include an alcohol pad, but I'm not going to really do that in this video because I never really had to before. So with this, all we're going to do is just kind of match up this part here and just kind of get it exactly where we want it to be. And matter of fact, I'm going to actually angle that a little bit more so I can get the G. So if you can kind of see how you can see through there a little bit, you're able to match up that G a little bit here. So that way we can kind of get it exactly how we want it to look. And it does have a little bit of a fold over right here. So just something to think about. And then once you have it kind of matched up where you want it, then you just kind of start to slide that out and then just start working your way down, and voila. I mean, it's that easy, guys, to install. It's definitely not difficult at all. And it's pretty nice too, because with the Pixel 6 being so flat, granted, there are going to be a little bit of some rounded corners here and there, and sometimes you'll need to definitely use probably like a blow dryer or something to kind of help with the wrinkles a little bit. But as you can see here, I haven't used that, and it went on just fine. So there is the bottom portion. So right there, we're already starting to get kind of a cool little look there. But now let's go ahead and install the top one. In my experience with installing these skins on the Pixel 6 so far, the top one is definitely, for whatever reason, the harder one. But what we're gonna do here is just kind of try to, once again, match it up exactly where we want it to be. And then as we do, I'm gonna just start peeling this back. And now that it's almost halfway on, I'm just gonna take that all the way off and then just boom, let it work its way out. Push it down the sides. All right, and there we have it. So like I said, once again, guys, once I'm done with this, I will use a blow dryer to work out the kinks a little bit here. But as you can see, it already looks so cool. You got the G shining through there. So it just gives the phone a complete new look. And I really like the black bar. So just right now, just looking at it right there, it looks really cool already. But just for the video purpose, I am going to go ahead and install the camera bar skin. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. And you're going to do it the exact same way. So basically, like how I said earlier, you just kind of angle it. And like for me, I like to try to do it where I have half of it shining through, so that way it's a little bit easier to mark up or match up everything here. Matter of fact, actually, I'm going to do it this way so I can kind of see that flash a little bit easier. So let's go that route. And really, once you match it up to like a specific spot like that, everything else just kind of falls into place a little bit easier. So as you can see here, hopefully my head's not in the way. Okay, then I'll just pull that out, and then now just push it all down, and voila, there it is, a complete new look of the Google Pixel 6 here. So as you can see there, you have this complete new look with this sticker bomb skin on it, and it does truly stand out. It's a one-of-a-kind skin. At the end of the day, I really like that how it matches up with the borders here with the matte black borders. If you are someone that doesn't like to use a case, then this will actually help give you a little bit more grip on the back, considering the back of the phone is glass and very slippery. Now I feel a lot more confident holding my device in my hand without a case on, which I normally will always have a case on my phone. And just for fun, one of my favorite cases for this phone is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, which is matte black with the clear back. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy on, so that way you can see kind of how it looks with this case on. So now you have a complete new look, as you can see there, and it looks really good with the clear case on it. And I've always been a fan of the matte black bumpers on the Ultra Hybrid, so that way it's not a complete clear case, because I'm not just a big fan of those. But with this, now it just looks super slick. So there you have it. So if you want to give your phone a complete new look, guys, this is the route to go. So there you have it, guys. There is the sticker bomb skin from SoapyGuard. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you loved it, please subscribe and consider ringing that notification bell for up-to-date content. As I post new videos, you will get notified. So really appreciate that. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.